Nature has endowed the world with a generous gift of water, land, sun and atmosphere, each of which is absolutely essential to sustain life on this planet. Yet, in its quest to control the immediate environment and exploit natural resources, our civilization is Nature has endowed the world with a generous gift of water, land, sun and atmosphere, each of which is absolutely essential to sustain life on this planet. Yet, in its quest to control the immediate environment and exploit natural resources, our civilization is completely upsetting the Earth's delicate ecological balance. Our story now takes us to a region on the coastal belt of Gujarat, which, but for the alertness shown by the local populace, would have proved a man-made ecological disaster.
The Bhal region in Gujarat, situated in the Gulf of Cambay, once wore a vibrant tale of lush green forests of mangroves and salvadora, locally known as Pilu. But today, what remains of this land are mere mirages, vast stretches of saline wastelands and severe scarcity of potable water. The ravages of nature, coupled with over-exploitation of natural resources, have drastically altered the ecology of this area. Furthermore, extensive grazing by camels coming from the Banni grasslands in Kutch to the Bhal region in the 60s, resulting in the disappearance of the remaining green cover. Located in the Delta region, Bhal was faced with another threat, seawater inundation. With the absence of plant cover, the region was now exposed and vulnerable to sea ingress during high tides, which left behind tons of salt and vast stretches of cracked earth. Today, nearly 50% of the land is unproductive, rendering the economy starkly poor and backward. It was only in 1981 that efforts were initiated by the Mahiti Trust and Uthan Cooperative to revive Bhal ecologically. Various soil salinity scientists and villagers with practical experience were utilized to build bunds that would contain seawater ingress and artificial ponds that would preserve rainwater in the area. Afforestation programs were carried out with locally adapted plants of Pilu. These were scientifically planted on the sides of trenches specially built to entrap rainwater. With its salt-tolerant properties, Pilu manages to desaline or reduce the salinity of the soil, thereby improving the fertility. This phenomenon is evident by the growth of grass near Pilu, perhaps the first step towards reviving the ecology. Apart from its ecological benefits, Pilu plantation also presents economic benefits to the local inhabitants of Bhal. The seeds of Pilu, known as karidi, are rich in non-edible oil and are used in soap manufacturing and the cosmetic industry. The story of Bhal is not just the story of reviving the ecology of some region. It is the story of the use of scientific knowledge coupled with the practical experience of the local inhabitants who are trying to develop a more meaningful world for their future generations.